guys, how are you all doing today? So today I'm going to be filming on my very new iPhone. The whole idea is just so you guys know what the difference is between the iPhone camera, the iPhone 12 Pro Max camera, and the Canon 250D camera. So I'm going to be doing basically like a mini camera comparison, but focusing more on the iPhone 12 Pro Max camera, so you'd know the quality that you would get if you're shooting with this phone camera. So on the phone, I'm currently shooting at 4K at 30 frames per second. So that's what I'm shooting on. I'm not going to film the whole tutorial because I want to save space and I don't want to have a long video to edit. So I'm going to do it in bits. So I'll show you the important part and then move on to the next part. So I've cleaned and hydrated my face with the micellar water. Yeah, one thing I like about the camera is once you bring the product really close, it kind of like blurs the background, just like your normal DSLR. Like, just look at my Canon 250D. So you bring it closer to the lens, it focuses on the lens and blurs out your face. So that is really great for the phone camera. Like, just look at my Canon 250D. So you bring it closer to the lens, it focuses on the lens and blurs out your face. So that is really great for the phone camera. And another thing I forgot to mention, so it shoots 4K. I think I already mentioned that already. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with this new primer. I haven't used it before. This is my first time, so hopefully it does well. A lot of people rave about it. This is the Smashbox, the original photo finish, smooth and blur. So I'm just gonna apply this all over. I don't think I took enough, but I'm not about to use primer today. What it looks like. It's the blend brush. So for foundation today, let's go all the way. I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way, and this is the shade Chestnut. This is definitely the reason why I don't like using brushes. I'm going to use it on one side and see if it works. So I just used the NYX Sweet Cheeks. Then next, to highlight, I'm going to be using the Born This Way concealer. This shade is in the shade Cookie. So I like to start with the areas where there's not too much product. So my chin, my nose bridge, the bridge of my nose. I said my nose bridge, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, and just blend. So I don't transfer product from here to the other side. So yeah, this is good. This. It's been long I last used this Sacha makeup. Now it feels like it's too yellow. Okay, and I'm just gonna touch my brows a bit with the powder and dust off the one on the forehead because we're gonna draw our brows. I'll be right back. And this is the front camera that I'm using. So to me, I think the iPhone 12 Pro Max camera quality is really good, but one thing I did struggle with when I imported it onto my editing software, Final Cut Pro, it got blown out, like, you know, it was overexposed, so I had to turn everything all the way down. When I tell you all the way down, I mean it's like exposure all the way down. So until I was able to fix it, and instead of doing it clip by clip, all you have to do is just add an adjustment layer, and whatever you do on the adjustment area would automatically be affected on the clips below it. So that's something you want to take into consideration. But other than that, I think the quality is beautiful. Even though I was using two softboxes and a ring light, the quality wasn't as I looked darker. Like you can see, like my Canon 250D. I know that DSLR cameras are supposed to make you look finer, but I'm fair. But in that video, I looked like really dark. So that's one thing. But aside that, I think it's a fantastic phone. Let me know what your thoughts are down below, and you know, let's chat. But I definitely recommend it. If you don't have the money, huge money to spend on a DSLR, you can invest in getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max and you're good to go. Another thing I forgot to mention, most of your phone holders won't fit the phone. So that's something you want to consider. I have one of this and it didn't fit it at all. This is the only one that kind of like went in, and I had to still struggle with it. The other one it didn't fit it at all. So make sure you bear that in mind when you're purchasing the phone, because the phone is really big. And I'm going to be doing an update video. Remember when I made my review, my unboxing, I told you guys that the phone is not heavy. Girl, it's huge, it's massive. Let me know if you're interested in an update video. I'll be happy to do that. Even though regardless, I'm still going to make one. And yeah, that's basically everything. Love you guys, stay safe, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye.